Dude, the beginning of the video starts now. Alright guys, so check it out. So here's the tube for the 13.5, brand new, nuevo. We already closed it up, and we're gonna go ahead and everything, new valves, everything ready to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install this bad boy. And we gotta install it. We gotta put air and then put all the cosmetic stuff. Alright guys, so here it is. Here is the tube. If you guys look at this, when you contrast it to like a Neptune gray, you know, this looks white, but it's not. This is the Arctic gray. I personally like this color. White is cleaner looking in the beginning, but it gets dirtier faster. The Arctic gray, you can get away with having it look white. It's not white. We're putting it. It is going on the Nautica. We're putting it on. This is her new home. This is her new home. Oh boy, I gotta use one hand and record with the other. All right, all right, all right. All right, guys. So we're just starting to place it now. We're gonna mark it, and then look at that. I mean, it's starting to come alive, people. This thing is gonna look super nice. We got a white Suzuki coming on this bad boy. Oh my goodness. All right, so look at this. Look at this. Just how the tubes make it already. It's starting to transform. Look at the gel coat. Right now it's dusty. It's dusty. We don't want to fill it up all the way because it makes it harder to install. So we're adjusting it now. See that there? It's coming alive, baby. It's coming alive. Jose, amazingness or what? Carlos, amazingness? Amazingness or what? Do you think it's going to be amazingness?
That's what we do, man.
Tell him what time. That's all we do, baby. Amazingness. So guys, listen up. Right now it's not completely because we got to sand all this off down. We got to sand in here to put the tapes. But listen, it's coming alive. It's coming alive. Look at this. This is why I like these wide bodies, man. These things are really nice boats. Guys, now look at the bottom of this already. Look at the bottom. It's already all nice, nicely polished. It looks nice and clean. I mean, look at this, people. See, if you got a good boat you can work, look at this, man. Mind you, this is all gonna be covered with the tape, so you won't even notice that. But look at this. This is beautiful. All right, guys, we got Jose here taking off all the things from the bottom. He was sanding everything now because we're gonna start getting the tubes ready. We already got the tubes ready, so we can go ahead and start installing it. So here's the next process. Obviously here we're taping everything off. Remember, this is all bad and like with glue and stuff. Now all this has been sanded down, ready for install. Okay, see that? Look at the polishing. Obviously it's dusty now, but it's already been polished. And you guys will see a huge difference, especially when we put the upholstery, which I was just at the upholstery. And we're gonna go ahead and swap these things out right now too, for the ones that I told you that I got from the other boat. So I think that's gonna be a measurable upgrade, right? Look at that, nice. It's gonna work. Little details, this is the difference. Not polished yet, relax, we'll polish it now. All right, I would say looks nice and sexy, so we're good. All right, guys, so we're making the template here right now. We're here making the template for the new cushions, and we're gonna have these. We're gonna keep this template. That's why we're doing this now, because we're gonna go ahead and have this template. So if anybody wants to order these cushions, they'll be able to do it on the website. See how this is the old one, and then we're using the one from the other boat. I don't want to be in the way here, but he's taking care of everything right now. Alright guys, alright, so check it out. You see this first mark right here? That's where I want the new lines to be. I don't want them to be exactly where they were, because I want to make the lines a little thicker. I think it's going to look nicer, thicker. So I'm putting a line here, putting a line here, and a line here. And then, see, this is originally what they had. I don't like these thin lines. I want it to be at least like 2 inches, so it looks, you know, mean. Like when you see it from a distance, it's gonna like call you. So I want it to look good. So, you know, we're trying to upgrade here. So we're trying to make it a little nicer. This is gonna fall here, 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 and then eventually what I can do is I can follow this line here, and I can put the line up here on that to match it. I don't know if it's needed. I'll think about it. Let's see what we do. We're gonna make a 3-legged bridle for this using some cable, and maybe we'll use 3/8. We'll see, 5/16. And then here to hoist it up, we'll use like a, I don't know, maybe 4 feet, 6,000 pounds. So that's it. We're doing this, people. We're doing this from everything to everything. And yeah, we need help. Yeah, we need help. Definitely need help. There's a lot to choose from, but this is what we got. This is what we got. Alright guys, so I just got these parts. We're gonna make the bridle that comes from here, just to make sure that, you know, we can, so while the customer can actually bring up the boat. Alright guys, so we're marking everything now. The tube is going on the boat, and over here we're sanding down all the rub rail. We have all that being sanded down here, and it's starting to come alive. It's starting to come alive. We're gonna start putting a lot of stuff on this bad boy this week. This week is a big week. We also got this Zodiac. I'm also gonna do a video of this Zodiac too. It's gonna be a nice retube as well. But this is a whole restoration from top to bottom. Alright guys, so we got the bow step. We're polishing that. It was one of the last things we wanted to take care of. We're polishing that. And the bow step will come here. And it's gonna come, boom. Hypalon, baby. That's the way to go, people. Don't waste your time. It's been a long day. We haven't even had lunch yet. Alright guys, if you see here, you see how it's cut here? That's a strap that's holding on, another holding on, and then we put a finish over here that'll go up, it'll butt up to here to the hole. And then look at that, it's the whole, all the hole is nice and clean. You know, we still got to do the final cleaning, you know, but this is definitely a big difference. Big difference. We'll start putting everything back on. Obviously it's dusty now, but this bad boy's getting, it's moving. It is moving. Look at the bottom. I mean, hey, when I say, can you visualize? I mean it, people, because I see this outcome before I even see a boat. I know what can and can't be done. And you guys have seen that I've literally thrown holes away. If I think it's garbage, I'll throw it away. I take it to the dump and throw it away. Bam. 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 So pretty. Look at that. My goodness, nothing like bringing back an old boat that was just dying for love. It says, please just fix me, fix me. All right, so we just picked them up. They just actually dropped them off. the bridle. So all new just for this particular boat. So, and guys, here it is. Here it is. We still got some more stuff to do, but she's coming along, coming along, coming along. I told you guys, man, this thing is gonna be a monster. It's gonna look really, really nice. There's obviously right now it's dirty because we still, you know, we're finishing the tubes. But before we completely finish the tubes, we got some stuff to take care of, and then we gotta bring it back to the shop. So we're gonna have to take it to the engine guys, have them install the engine, and then we'll go ahead and do the final touch-ups that we need. But all the tubes are already nice. Look at this, look at this. Beautiful. Like you see all here, it's a little dirty. We'll clean that up. Amazingness! That's what we do. Look at this, look at this. We got the neighbors jamming it up. We got Jose getting the bad boy. The bad boy, look at this monster, baby. Woo! Oh, I'm so sexed out with this one. Yeah. Guys, next time you see this bad boy, the next edit is gonna have a Suzuki 50 brand new out of the box. And it's gonna look so pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, so I'm leaving the shop right now to take her. We're out here at the shop. We're about to leave, take her to get all her hatches put on, her upholstery, and then we take her in for a new engine, baby. Oh my goodness, it's coming to life. Look at this. Who says this is an old boat? No. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Guys, it's not on completely. I don't have it on. It's obviously dirty, but I just want you guys to start getting a feel for the sexiness that we're creating here with this little rib. Let me tell you, this is gonna be a monster. So we got that put on. We just gotta put these two screws over here and got a screwdriver for this guy right here that's at a bad angle, so I can get it with the drill. But yeah, these are the little things. All the hatches are going back now. They're nice and cleaned. So we'll put those bad boys on now. Okay, hey, I promise you guys that I'll make this kit available. So listen, this is a kit for a Nautica 13.5 wide body, okay? So if you guys want to go ahead and upgrade your boat, and you know, maybe you're trying to do a refresh on your little Nautica, this is a good way to go ahead and refresh it. What I would need is I would need your old set back, and once you send me the old set, I will ship you a new set, okay? This is white with navy, and you'll have it available at luxuryribtenders.com, okay? I can make it a variety of colors and stuff like that, but then obviously we'll have to be in communication and good stuff like that. I'll eventually have the 15 wide body also. So Nautica 13.5 at luxuryribtenders.com. Check out the store. Alright, so I've positioned, I gotta put it up a little bit here. Alright. And then what I do is I go inside now. Alright, so go back to those 3 holes, get inside. It's a little uncomfortable, but I'll be able to get it. If you have somebody that can help you just push this in, hold this in, it's even better, but I'm here doing this by myself now, so it should be a minute. Okay, so you want to make sure that everything here is lining up good right here before you start putting. You see it's already onto the thing. You just want to make sure all this lines up so that when you put this here, this all lines up with everything, and you know, you want a nice straight line. All right, so let's hook up the back.